मुझे नहीं लगता कि प्यार जिंदगी में सिर्फ एक बार होता है। मुझे लगता है कि प्यार 3 बार होता है, 4 बार होता है, बहुत बार होता है।
Beep in the beep and I'm beep in the beep. But I still want to be with you because I cannot imagine my life without you.
When I watched Super 30, I had like a huge crush on her. So I remember sliding into her DMs and I would love to work with you someday.
MC Sher enters. And I'm like, hi, कितना cute है यार.
कुछ फिल्में होती हैं जो बस गुदगुदा के चली जाती है, and makes you feel like all the love. And you feel like that enduring feeling.
Most of the people can't even say it. They call me Murnal, Murnal, Mrinal, Mrudul, Mri, Mruda, blah, blah, blah.
So first time Ronald Thakur is coming, I'm like, wow. She just looked at me and she's just looking at me. And I was like, damn. And she's like, it's like, yeah. And she's like, you look like my brother.
You remind me of Dhaval, my cousin. I meant like his curls. He's like my brother's also 6 feet tall and he's got this very charming personality. But that doesn't mean that I bro-zoned him. I mean, you guys can see the chemistry on screen, right?
आज Teddy Day, by the way. Happy Teddy Day, guys.
Happy
Teddy Day. I hope you guys have a big teddy bear at home to hug.
I have right here.
Yes. So all thanks to Blabber. And I hope you guys love the decor, the ambience.
We love it. We
And
love
the crowd over here is right here, guys, celebrating you and the film. So how do you feel about it?
Well, the decor is really beautiful, and I have a teddy right here, which reminded me today's Teddy Day, guys. Happy Teddy Day to you all. And secondly, we're not just celebrating the movie and us, but also you, because Sasank and Roshni की तरह ऐसे काफी सारे लोग हैं इस दुनिया में who will be able to resonate with this story, and the reason why we both choose, and I really love Siddhant in that case because he always chooses something which is out of the box, and we both came together, collaborated on this film Do Divane Seher mein, because we all have certain kind of securities in ourselves which we are so afraid of talking about. But that's what they say, when two imperfect people meet each other, they rise in love, they don't fall in love. So yeah, so thank you for
Absolutely.
being here. Thank you for that lovely introduction, you two. And I know Manjiri since she was a little baby because I went to college with her sister and she's a fantastic singer. So I will make sure that she sings by the end of this session.
Woohoo!
Okay, for you, I will. नहीं, बताओ, हमें जानना है.
Very excited. It's a very beautiful setup. There are a lot of teddies around. There's one hanging, his crotch is right above my head. So it's nice, it's very beautiful, and it's Teddy Day, so happy Teddy Day to you guys. I didn't know that Teddy Day we celebrate hota hai. This is the first. If I knew back in the college, then yeah, it would have helped me a lot. But
अपने
yeah,
आप को ही gift कर देते हैं as a teddy.
acha.
I'm asking you.
Yeah, I'm good with cuddles. So
Girls.
yeah, so thank you so much. And Amar, I know you personally since it's been a couple of years, and it's been a journey which I've been following your journey, and you've been always been so supportive. You've had faith in everything which I do. Films might work, not work, but he's always been there. He's always the one who actually, messages me out of the blue, makes me feel like happy that something, good is happening. So I'm so glad to be part of this day of yours, which is a big day for you because it's the first time you're having an on-ground event. So please, can we have a huge round of applause for Amar? And
That is very true. This is his first time on a live audience event.
Yeah.
मैंने तो 6 बार की है, लेकिन ये अभी डेब्यू कर रहे हैं अपना.
I mean, the fact that एक सीट पे 2 लोग बैठे हैं, that is the biggest achievement. बस हो गया. That's all we want.
I'm very happy. Thank you, Siddhant.
So are
Thank
we.
you.
it's lovely, and I can't wait to start this conversation. And Manjari, मैं तुम्हें बचपन से तो नहीं जानता, लेकिन जवानी में जरूर जानना चाहूंगा. But yeah, I'm meeting you for I think the first time, I guess.
वो पापा
Actually, this
वहाँ
is the
बैठे हैं.
third time.
Huh?
वो पापा वहाँ बैठे हैं, उनसे परमिशन
हेलो, नमस्ते अंकल. वेरी गुड. हे, दोस्त की तरह.
बेटा अप्रूव्ड.
पहले क्यों नहीं बोला?
इससे पहले की और कुछ बोल.
नहीं इससे ज्यादा क्या मतलब दोस्ती के लिए
Yeah, yeah.
हाथ बढ़ाया तो
Hmm.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ठीक है
Same.
तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग अस एंड आई एम एक्साइटेड एंड बहुत अच्छा गाती है मैंने सुना है
Thank you.
सुनेंगे कुछ एंड में आपसे नगमे एक आध
Definitely.
So yeah,
Definitely.
let's begin, guys. I'm very excited, and thank you so much, guys, for actually taking your time out and coming here. It's beautiful people sitting here and beautiful person sitting on my side, all of them. So I'm very excited, very happy, and let's begin.
Um, I have to say the trailer has a quality of the old school love. Thank God there's no trauma, there's no pain. Nobody has blood stains all over their t-shirt. And it's just a simple love story. I think it aims at finding old school love in a city like Bombay. There's a dialogue in the film which I really love. Roshni कहती हैं कि मैं अपने आप को इतना सुंदर नहीं पाती and then Sasank comes in and he says कि तुम्हें वो नहीं क्यों नहीं दिखता जो मुझे दिखता है मेरी आंखों से and that is exactly what being vulnerable is all about, a partner being vulnerable to their partner and not having any covers. Does the movie also touch upon a lot of those angles where you both are being vulnerable and expressing and the other one comes as a fort and becomes a rock?
In the film, I would say that we are always, kind of picking each other up. We all face insecurities and we all have internal problems. So, exactly what you said, this is not a film about an external factor or an external villain. It's about your own internal journey within yourself with social media and with the pressures of, making big in the city. When someone moves into a big city, or maybe somebody who's scrolling through Instagram, you see the beauty standards, you see the pressures, the successes of other people who have achieved it early, it kind of plays in your head. That really hampers your confidence. As a man, you feel like, oh, I need to do more. I need to make my dad very happy. I need to have a positioning in the market or around my friends that I'm earning this much. For the women, it is the beauty standards have it's insane. Every time you open Instagram and you will see that there's something else which has happened, which has changed, right from get ready with me to all the skincare routines, and they keep evolving and evolving and evolving, which is good. I would say it's good, but then sometimes it kind of gets to your head where you feel like the way I was born, the way I with the features which I have, or the way I am, maybe I'm like thin, fat, whatever that is. It's very hard to accept yourself in the day and time. You want to post the best Instagram pictures, and then you have filters and you have body shaping things which help you to kind of be approved by and get validated by the so that plays a lot. And I've seen it in my, because I've done a film which was about social media, which is Kho Gaya Hum Kahan. So we studied a lot that how it's affecting your relationships, and especially your internal journey within yourself, that connection which you have within yourself. So that really gets affected, and then you start feeling like खुद ही में आदमी रहता है अपने, ये, अंदर ही घूमता रहता है. And then when you meet a person who's maybe beautiful or who's nice, you still feel that you're lesser. You always rate yourself a 6 on 10, and you always feel that or you're like finding things where you're finding validation. So this is just a story of these two imperfect people who come together and they don't see each other's flaws, and they complete each other, they pick each other up, and the whole film is very simple. There is very nuanced things, relatable things, aspirational things, shot very beautifully by Kaushal and Ravi Udyawar, produced by Sanjay Bansali. Brunal Thakur, I'm so glad that she's chosen a role which actually resonates with a lot of people. The family dynamics, we have the best supporting cast. So everybody comes together to kind of give you this little ticklish experience. कुछ फिल्में होती हैं जो बस गुदगुदा के चली जाती है, and makes you feel like all the love, and you feel like that enduring feeling. That's our attempt to bring this film right now, because when you see like politics or world politics, it's so much of things which are happening around all over the world. There's war, there's like a lot of hate, people are not nice to each other on Instagram, everyone's trolling everyone. There's a lot of negativity out there. So I think in these times, this film comes as a healer, I would say. It just heals a part of you, and yeah, I mean, it makes you feel good. That's the attempt. So over to Mrunal, if that's what I want to say about that.
How beautifully he just put
Yeah.
that thing together. And trust me, मुझे बहुत गुदगुदी हो रही थी when I was shooting this movie, and I'm so happy that I got a chance to be a part of this film. But having said that, what is your love language? What is my love language? And what is a partner? Like, what is the definition of love? I think through this film I've discovered so many things about Roshni which actually helped me understand myself more. I think first of all, in order to be in love, you need to love yourself. And only when you're able to love yourself, when you have it in you, is when you can give it to others. And I think the the dialogue that you just spoke about, कि मुझे नहीं लगता है कि मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ, and he's like, तुम मेरी आंखों से देखो ना, I'll show you, the world is very beautiful, you beautiful. ऐसा कहने के लिए, ऐसा फील करने के लिए, all we need is a good partner who can understand and has the same love language as you, जिसके साथ आप just not comfortable but you can feel like you can rely on that person. There are so many things. अभी हम लोग कहते कि no, I'm a Gen Z, I'm a millennial. Okay, but what about love? People have actually stopped experiencing what love is. More than that, अगर कोई आपको प्यार दे रहा है तो किसी को प्यार लेते रिसीव करते आना भी जरूरी है. And that's what is so important in this movie. I think we're just so lost in losing that 5 kgs and gaining that 5 kgs, or gaining the muscle, or doing this or doing that. I've done that all my life. I have been mistracked. अलग से ट्रैक में मैं चली गई थी बिकॉज उस वक्त हमें कोई गाइड करने के लिए था नहीं. नाउ दैट आई हैव लिव्ड दिस लाइफ, लिव्ड दिस जर्नी, I understand that maybe the version that I had, like I was 10 years ago, as opposed to what I am today, there's a huge difference. And I think as a person, you need to keep evolving. And these are the movies which will come, which you'll watch, and you will evolve through that. Not just that, but it also allows you, like Roshni के पास इतना confidence है ना, जो confidence अगर मुझे real life में मिल जाए ना, तो बस I will be like I can do anything and everything in the world. But again, we always end up judging the people from the outside, the internal struggles. I'm sure like all the people out here might have gone through their insecurities, and I would love for you to share that with you, because when I was growing up, I was very insecure about my name, Mrunal. It is such a unisex name. Most of the people can't even say it. They call me Murnal, Murnal, Mrinal, Mrudul, Mri, Mruda, blah, blah, blah. And I'm just be like, you know what? I wish my name was not as complicated. But today I have made a name. I told myself, I promised myself कि इस नाम को मैं इतना popular बनाऊंगी that people will know me for Mrunal Thakur. So this was my biggest insecurity growing up. वो बाकी की सारी चीजें तो हम बताएंगे as we start the conversation. But all I want to say is, in order to be in love, you have to love yourself. When was the last time you looked into the mirror and said, hey, this is the perfect version of me and I want to be a better version of this? I just want all of you to know that you've not just come this far to only come this far. There's a long way ahead. There will be a lot of people to pull you down, a lot of insecurities. और दोस्त नहीं, colleagues नहीं, अपने घर में कभी कभी कुछ relatives भी होंगे. So please mind that, guys. Do not give up on yourself. And this is that film. This film is not giving up on love, not giving up on each other, not giving up on your dreams, on what you want to do. So लोग कहते हैं कि अच्छी फिल्में नहीं बनती है. ये हम दोनों की कोशिश है to make a beautiful movie which resonates with you. And mind me, Manjari, no one apart from Siddhant Chaturvedi could play Sasang the way he's done it. Like, I became such a big fan. I became such a big fan of his performance, क्योंकि जब मैं performance देख के मैं बाहर आई, I was like, यार ये शशांक शर्मा का रोल मुझे क्यों नहीं दिया, ये रोशनी का रोल मुझे क्यों मिल गया. अगले टाइम मैं I'll make sure that whatever Siddhant is doing, I'll vouch, I'll look for it, and I'll ask the producer to make it into a girl's character. But because his choices of role selection movies is incredible, and Abhiruchi जो हमारी writer है, to be written by a woman is beautiful, because she always there is this nuances, छोटी छोटी चीजें, क्योंकि कहते हैं ना लड़के ज्यादा expressive नहीं होते. बट शशांक को आप देखेंगे और बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से उन्होंने लिखा है. सो आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉयड दिस मूवी as much as we enjoyed being a part of it.
I think
Definitely.
the most important thing, Amar, over here is the fact that when she said ki a woman writing a man, you know, I think this movie is going to be the thing. मतलब वो ना वो कॉपी होती है ना, एक गाइड बुक होता है कि किस तरीके का चाहिए एक लड़की को या क्या चाहिए एक लड़की को. मुझे तो ट्रेलर में एक ग्लिम्स ऑलरेडी मिल गया है, बट
बैठे
अभी
हैं
पूरी
side में.
मूवी जो है ना वो मिलने वाली है. एंड आई एम एब्सोल्युटली एक्साइटेड बिकॉज मैंने जिंदगी में आज तक एक भी डेट नहीं किया है. So I have never been on a date. So I am very
अच्छा,
excited
पापा
to know
बैठे
कि
ना वहाँ पे
exactly
इसीलिए.
पर मैं सचमुच में नहीं गई हूँ. He is very free. उन्होंने तो बोला है जाओ करो enjoy, but हो नहीं पाता है. I don't know what I'm looking for, but I think after watching Do Deewane, I will know what I am looking for and what I deserve in my life. So that is the reason why I'm very excited.
I
But
also feel that the movie will also, when you guys will watch the film, I think it will also make you a better person, because I think that's also very nicely shown that they are very genuine people.
absolutely. And I want to know, you know, when people are talking about the right time, हमेशा I think you guys have also heard कि यार right time पे right चीजें होंगी. The right person will just walk along and you will just know हो जाएगा वो. तो मुझे जानना है कि इन दो दीवाने एक्चुअली में प्यार राइट टाइम पे आता है या रॉन्ग टाइम पे आता है.
पहली बार जब आता है तो रॉन्ग टाइमिंग, पर जब झगड़े होते हैं, जब पता चलता है कि यार इसके बिना मेरा कुछ नहीं होने वाला, तू इधर आ यार, तू ही है मेरा सब कुछ, that's it. फिर वो गलत टाइम भी राइट टाइम बन जाता है. इट्स जस्ट दैट समटाइम्स वी गिव अप ऑन लव. दिस ये नहीं चल रहा, ये नहीं हो रहा, दिस इज नॉट द वे आई फंक्शन, ब्रेकअप, स्टॉप टेक्सटिंग, गोस्टिंग, ये सारी चीजें बड़ी कॉमन है, राइट?
Absolutely.
बट दो दीवाने शहर में इज ऑल्सो लाइक नॉट गिविंग अप ऑन ईच अदर. तू जैसा है यार मुझे पसंद है, और मैं उसे कहती कि मैं जैसी हूँ, प्लीज, लाइक इफ यू नो, I mean, that's all we want, no? Exactly, that's
Absolutely.
exactly what we want. There's a beautiful scene in this movie that we both love, The Notebook, जहाँ पे Ryan is telling the actress that, you know what, you're a bloody beep in the beep and I'm beep in the beep, you know, beep कह नहीं सकती, but I still want to be with you because I cannot imagine my life without you. And that's what Shashank is. That's what Shashank and Roshni are together. They just cannot imagine their life without each other. And no matter kitni bhi khamiyan, jo bhi problem hai, the best part is I can be emotionally vulnerable in front of Shashank. And I think agar if that's I think that's one of the rule break, like that's a deal breaker. If you're not emotionally naked in front of your partner, then fir wo, I don't know where it will go. It won't go anywhere, in fact.
But you know, before हम लोग और भी questions पूछे about the film only, this is something I want to know. In today's generation, we see a lot of people falling in love and then falling out of love, and then we also see those people जो लोग कभी भी single नहीं रह सकते because they keep feeling that loneliness hit them like a brick, and they keep feeling एक दूसरे relationship से दूसरे relationship and then a rebound. They keep doing that. So what is that one thing that you have to say for people like that and a love like that, for people who feel loneliness and they can't just stay alone because they need that validation constantly from other people?
A very deep question. See, I can't speak for everyone, but I feel it's a very subjective matter. Whatever sails your boat, whatever fills your void, whatever makes you feel happy in the moment, do it. Love for me is non-transactional. Love for me is freedom. You need to be, like, as you said, rise in love and be set free in love, rather than having a societal or a worldly, assumption about love. Yes, there are people who keep dating on, who cannot be single, but there is a void which they're trying to fill eventually. And एक टाइम के बाद वो थक जाएंगे, and finally they'll have somebody who will come in their lives and they will settle down. But if you tell them to just function in a way where नहीं, just one person, one life, मुझे नहीं लगता कि प्यार जिंदगी में सिर्फ एक बार होता है. मुझे लगता है कि प्यार 3 बार होता है, 4 बार होता है, बहुत बार होता है. I feel love is like a series of, it's not a feature film. It's not like with a beginning, middle, and end. I think it's a series of short films with each having its beginning, middle, and end. And now your attempt is to, you find that little short film which you love the most, even though it's a little imperfect, but you stay with it and you keep like, getting involved in that so much that it becomes a feature for you. So you have to basically make that a feature. But I don't think love is, it keeps happening a lot of times. And the thing is, every time you love someone, every time you fall in love with someone, it's different. The feeling is different. You don't, and I think most of the times people get fixated with the not the person they love, but the idea of love, how they feel in love, and they just want to feel that, they want to just remember themselves like how they were in love. And every person makes you feel in a very different way. Now what happens eventually, if you keep doing it a long time, you start feeling vacant and you start feeling empty. It's the marginal law of diminishing utility, where the more you do it, the less you value it. So ideally it should be obviously few, but you can't control life. Life is full of surprises. You might bump into the person in the worst time, in the wrong time, the right person, but it's up to you to make it right. But you might you're in the best place ever, and you might meet the wrong person, and things will still not go. So ये जो attempts है ना, it's not a game. I don't think it's a game where you have a limited level of, मारियो में 3 hearts होते हैं. इधर 3 hearts नहीं है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे hearts हैं. हर बार टूटता है, फिर you get another chance, because life is full of second chances. Let's not be hard on yourself, and let's not stick to somebody who has left you, who doesn't value your love, and just don't be like, just move on maybe in life, and find yourself first, and find yourself through people, find yourself through maybe that one person, and maybe you'll be happy. But if you keep doing that, as you said, I mean, but it depends, as much as I'm a very very firm supporter of just like, one woman, one time. Every time the attempt is to have that only, but वो नहीं होता है, तो अब मैं क्या करूं? या तो मैं देवदास बन जाऊं, वहीं पड़ा रहूं, कुछ नहीं करूं, या जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ूं, देखा जाएगा। कोई और बहुत हसीन दुनिया है, बहुत हसीन लोग हैं, अलग अलग किस्म के लोग हैं। और कई बार आप भी, when you grow, as you age, you more responsible to your choices, you're more mature to your choices, and you can't take those little irresponsible attempts and impulsive attempts after a certain age, because as much as love gets more mature, eventually when you find someone when you're a little older, it also hurts a lot if it doesn't work. All the investment that you've done for a year or two getting to know, फिर से लगता है कौन उठेगा, फिर कौन बताएगा कि मुझे ये पसंद है, मेरा फेवरेट कलर येलो है, मैं सुबह सुबह ब्लैक कॉफी पिए, थोड़ा सा आमंड मिल्क डाल के, थोड़ा सा जैगरी डालता हूँ, ये सब भाई तो स्कूल में ये हुआ था, ये वापस कौन बताएगा इतना सारा? तो ये एक प्रेशर होता है, बट आई थिंक जस्ट कीप गोइंग ऑन. मतलब देयर इज नो राइट आंसर टू दिस, आई फील. So I just blabbered for like 10 minutes and you guys heard it like as I'm talking something very intense, but there is just feel free, just be open to all the possibilities.
Wonderfully said. So, as he said, that it can be exhausting, but he's also saying that take chances, find your self love, and just show up. I also wanted to ask, movie mein, as you both wonderfully said, these two characters, Shashank and Roshni, are misfits of finding their missing puzzle pieces, and they find each other. In real life, when you both met at the set, day one or before at the reading, what was the first impression? Because obviously you must have seen each other's work, and because of the credibility and the reliability you put as actors on paper, what was the vibe when you guys met?
I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Can I tell you?
Yes.
So I'd seen her on screen for the first time in Super 30. Then obviously I watched Love Sonia. Then I realized I've seen her in Nachbali as well. And I was like, wow, she's the same girl, and she's evolved, and she's like just looking more and more beautiful. So I when I watched Super 30, I had like a huge crush on her. So I remember sliding into her DMs and saying that, listen, you're so good, just like an appreciation, nothing to like, of any sort, but I would love to work with you someday. And then eventually we met at a party, and then we spoke for a brief period of time, and then finally when I got to know she's playing the part, and I remember it was 15th of August 2023. I remember the day when she had called me and she's like, we are doing this film and I'm so excited. I'm like, perfect. And then we went for a reading workshop, just to get kind of familiar. This is the first time Ronald Thakur is coming. I'm like, wow, she's, kind of like low-key crushing on her. And then she's coming here and sitting, and then she just looked at me, and she's like, and she's just looking at me. And I was like, damn. And she's like, it's like, yeah. And she's like, you look like my brother. I have a cousin called Dhawal. He exactly looks like you. Show you pictures. And I was like,
Frozone and Howard.
नहीं थोड़ा है हाँ ठीक है. मैं बोला लो भैया रोम कॉम करने जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे एकदम रोमांस यहीं में मतलब शुरुआत में ही आपने पहले बॉल पे बोल्ड. और लाइक ठीक है चलो अभी हमारा वो आइस ब्रेकर था. उसके बाद हम बहुत अच्छे दोस्त बन गए और फिर मस्ती माहौल तो होता ही रहा और नोक झोंक भी होती रही, थोड़े झगड़े भी करते रहे हम लोग, लेकिन इवेंचुअली वी बिकेम लाइक वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स एंड या. So I think initially we met. I thought we are the perfect fit. Then when she said that, I was like misfit. Then the misfit happened for a long time, and then I was like, perfect. This is the perfect misfit, which is rare. You know, it's not vanilla.
I'll break the ice again.
That's not what That's not what it is, okay, guys. Let me clear that. First of all, I'll tell you my core memory of meeting Siddhant Chaturvedi. Right after Gully Boy, where I have really, by the way, I really enjoyed his performance in Inside Edge. So after Inside Edge, say Gully Boy का जो उनका सफर था, जो transformation था, जो transition था, I really appreciate. He's like a chameleon on screen. So I remember it was MA Entertainment's party. Nikhil Advani sir was hosting it. I had just done Batla House with them, and I happened to be there in one corner sulking because I'm not good with socializing. And I was only looking at that food ka jo containers to just open up, and the moment it opens, I'll just attack and I'll pretend that, oh, I'm busy eating. But it was just not opening because everyone was busy like socializing. Then this MC Sher enters. And I'm like, hi, kitta cute hai yaar. And then he met everybody, and I just saw, my focus was not just MC Sher but khana also, because that's first love.
Same thing.
Food. And I'm walking towards khana and he's walking towards khana too. I was like, this is the best time.
Hello.
So we found a
Naan
corner. So we found a corner. There was a corner seat where we both of us were sitting eating and discussing about life, and we just spoke about family. It's really rare that I can hold this conversation for so long. If I don't know that person, I cannot I'm really bad. Like, he's very good with breaking the ice in that case. So that day I told him that, you're such a fantastic performer and I would like to work with you. And then we met for a fashion event where we walked for a designer, and it was so good. And I told him, Siddhant, I'm really manifesting it. And I told him that, please, if there is any script that you think I am good, please mujhe phone kariyo aur I'll just be on board, and vice versa. So I happened to meet Ravi Udyavar sir, who's the director of my movie, in the elevator of the building that I live in. And I was with my mother, and we both were walking out, and I saw Ravi sir was standing, and my mom goes like, sir, I loved your mom. I mean, mom, your movie. And and I was like, sir, it will be really nice to work with you, So he said, yeah, Mrunal, I really like your performance too. And then let's connect. 2-3 weeks later, he sent me a text. He narrated me this story, one line. I said, sir, I'm going to Dubai. Tomorrow I'm coming back. Let's sit down. We did a narration. I was back, did a narration. Within 30 seconds, I said, sir, I'm on. I asked him, sir, who's Sasang? He said, it's a surprise. Main teko bataunga. 15th August, 7:15 in the morning, I get a call from Ravi Udyavar sir. And he said, guess who's your Sasank Rosni? I said, who? And meanwhile, a week or two before, I told Siddhant that there is a script, there are 2 scripts, but I would really love you to hear it. And I didn't know कि इन लोगों की खिचड़ी कब पक गई यार. And he said, Siddhant is the part of the movie. And I was like, this is amazing. And I'm so happy. I literally manifested working with this gorgeous chocolate boy. And when he came on sets, I was really nervous. When we were doing the readings, he was really so effortlessly fluid in terms of delivering his dialogues. See, because I've also do like South movies, so the dialogue delivery is little mellow, OTT. But when he says, like in Kho Gaye and Gehraiyan, uski delivery is so good. It's so effortless. It just feels like koi bas baatein kar raha hai. You just feel like it's a slice of life. So I was really scared of that. Sachi. But when I said you remind me of Dhaval, my cousin, I meant like his curls, his aura. He's like, my brother's also 6 feet tall, and he's got this very charming personality. But that doesn't mean that I bro-zoned him. I mean, you guys can see the chemistry on screen, right?
Definitely.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and यार ऐसे मत कर. मतलब लाइफ में पहली बार मुझे किसी लड़के ने ऐसे प्रपोज किया है. ज्यादा मैंने एग्जैजरेट नहीं किया, बट मेरे आंखों में आंसू था. अगर कैमरा आप जूम करके देखोगे, आई वाज वेरी ओवरवेल्म्ड, एंड आई एम रियली रियली ब्लेस्ड टू have him as my co-star, as my friend. In fact, in real life also, when I get very anxious, I get these panic attacks before any social gathering. So I will just be like, sometimes hold his hand or just be like, Siddhant, tu mere bina mat jana, please, paps rahenge. I get very nervous, I'll shake you, make sure that you're standing there. He'll be there at the event 20 minutes, he'll wait in the car for me to arrive. And that's one of the most sweetest thing. I mean, when you have friends like this in the industry, I think I feel reliable, just exactly how I felt reliable when it was Sasank and Roshni. And I'm just happy through Do Divane Sar mein I found a friend, and this is the beautiful journey. I'm just happy that I'm a small part of his big gigantic career, and I hope that I get to work with him again, because picture abhi baki hai mere dost.
100%.
Perfect.
Next
So
time you're
cute
playing
he is,
siblings.
yaar.
Absolutely.
I mean, it's a big casting win. It's a big win in terms of casting.
Absolutely. By the way, jogging up a little bit, you know, guys, मैंने हमेशा ये देखा है कि in films ना, we always have a takeaway, right? And these two have always done films जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा takeaway रहा है from characters, the growth, the arc, the stories, you know, and all real life characters. And in this film also something similar is happening. And जैसे कि you know, there are moments over there, जैसे even Amar, you know, he kind of gave the whole dialogue also, you know, कि she feels vulnerable about the way she looks. हम लोग बोलते नहीं है, we are not, we behave, we are very confident about how we are, but अंदर से वो insecurities होती है हम लोगों को. I want to know, what is that one thing which people, I mean, obviously the whole film, the characters are relatable, but what is that one thing which is relatable as well as healing for the audience who will be watching this film?
शादी करने के लिए मत करना. Because that's one thing that I'm very relatable, talking about keeping insecurities aside. When Roshni says करने के लिए कर लूँ, मेरा ससांक हो गया, sorry. When Roshni says कि शादी करने के लिए नहीं करनी है ना मम्मा, बस कर लूँ ऐसे ही. So that's something that I resonate with. Like I'm in my 30s and I would like to wait for the right person than marrying the wrong one.
A lot of takeaways actually. My biggest takeaway was, not, when you're facing insecurities in life and you're feeling that person, is better, or maybe that person deserves better, or I deserve better. And जब चीजें नहीं चलती हैं, जब चीजें कमजोर हो जाती हैं रिलेशनशिप में, so you tend to give up. But thinking of you'll find a better person maybe after that, or you're not ready or something like that, I feel you will have to not give up on love to some extent, unless it's very toxic, it's very like, it's not helping you, I mean, to that level. But as much as you can try to communicate, try to not give up on love, hold on to that person, and make that person feel good, so that you guys can grow together. So that growth is very important. This is what also happens in the film. We both meet in a very random setup, but eventually we fall in love, we rise in love, and eventually we grow together in our own personal trajectories. Keeping, it's not a ये वो वाला प्यार नहीं है कि मैं अपने आप को भूल जाऊं, तुम अपने आप को भूल जाओ, मेरी जिंदगी मैंने तुम्हें बना ली है, तुमने मुझे अपनी जिंदगी, मतलब it sounds very good poetically, but in real life, it is that kind, you feel that overwhelming feeling at the same time, but you're also focusing on your personal growth. And it's so beautiful if somebody comes along in that journey and helps you kind of find yourself and helps you grow, and then you both grow together, you almost become one. So I think that was the biggest takeaway from this film, rather than trying to put each other down. या फिर बहुत सारी फिल्म, मतलब रोमांस का थोड़ी मतलब परिभाषा बदल गई है. अब जो भी फिल्म हम देख रहे हैं हैज टू हैव दैट लाइक ड्रामा इंटेंसिटी, या तो some kind of other conflict, चाहे वो एक्सटर्नल हो, चाहे माँ बाप नहीं मान रहे हो, चाहे वो कास्ट हो, चाहे रिलीजन हो. For this film, the freshness, why you feel fresh about watching the trailer is that we are not touching upon any of these things. It's about these two people. simple, their own things. As if, you know, we started making films about कि माँ बाप चाह रहे हैं, नहीं चाह रहे हैं तो नहीं हो रहा है. या फिर you know, more bigger issues. But how did we forget the Amol Palekar era, the Rishikesh Mukherjee era, where things were so simple, you know? And हमारे, तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि प्यार ऐसी, अगर मान लो, I think most of your parents would you not mind you kind of dating anyone, right? बट तुम्हें मिल रहा है क्या प्यार फिर भी? नहीं ना, बिकॉज इंटरनली कुछ ना कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो बैठता नहीं है ना सही. तो उसके बारे में कोई फिल्म क्यों नहीं बनाया अभी तक? ऐसा क्यों कि नहीं मेरे पापा अमरीश पुरी हैं तो वो मुझे नहीं मिले, जा सिमरन, यार हो गया 19 बीन अ वाइल. या फिर मैं प्यार तुमसे करता हूँ लेकिन तुम किसी और से प्यार करती हो, ये भी 1000 बार हो चुका. कई बार तुम सारे, ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन इज ऑन अ डेटिंग ऐप, यू गाइस मीट पीपल, यू बम्प इनटू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एट पार्टीज एंड ऑल, यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग, बट देन अंदर ही अंदर उसकी 4 चीजें देख के तुम्हें लगता है कि नहीं भाई ये मेरे लिए नहीं बना है, या ये मेरे लिए नहीं बनी है. सो वो चीज जो हो रही है वो भी तो एक प्रॉब्लम है ना. सो वो क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा? इट्स नॉट लाइक वी आर ऑल ओपन टू आवर डीएम्स एंड वी आर ऑल ओपन टू, सो वी आर फाइंडिंग पीपल. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. नोबडी इज एक्चुअली होल्डिंग अस प्रेजेंट इन की डोंट लव. Now this is 2026, India is evolving, so we accept love the way this is. Having said that, we obviously love stories, other stories. I have done, my last film was Dhadak 2, which was more than a I don't think that was a romantic film. It was more of a social drama, I would say. But that's a different thing. But in love stories, I think this is what right now, आज की जो कहानी है, आज की जो कहानियां होती हैं, जो आज की जनरेशन है, वो निजी चीजें हैं, आपस की चीजें हैं, अपने ब्लॉक्स हैं, अपने इम्पर्सनल इनसिक्योरिटीज हैं, इनहिबिशंस हैं जो कि आप पार नहीं कर पा रहे, आपके एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं कि यार मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तो काइली लगी भाई, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड तो मुझे चाहिए ब्रैड पिट, या चाहिए मुझे यू नो समथिंग लाइक दैट, लाइक यू नो तिमिति चाहिए भाई, वैसे बाल होने चाहिए, ये. तो आपके जो है ना, वो तो आपकी पर्सनल चॉइसेस है, राइट? और इस पे जो क्लैश होता है, इस पे बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जो इनसिक्योरिटी आप फील कर रहे हो. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर कोई चाह रहा है कि उसको तिमिति जैसा बॉयफ्रेंड मिले, कल तिमिति जैसा बॉयफ्रेंड मिल भी गया तो वो खुद के बारे में कम सोचेगी यार. जब उसके साथ बाहर जाएगी तो उसको लगेगा कि यार मैं शायद इतनी नहीं हूँ जितना ये अच्छा है, यू नो. सो you have to find your own person, and that's the challenge every day. You know, we're meeting a lot of young people these days during our promotions, journalists, they're all saying that the dating pool is so up right now. एंड आई एम लाइक, नहीं मिल रहा है कोई यार. क्या चाहते हैं लड़के यार, और लड़के पूछ रहे क्या चाहती हैं लड़कियां यार. तो ये बहुत सारी जो प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, दिस इज अ स्टोरी अबाउट दैट, यू नो. एंड also wrapped in a very you know, traditional setup also, because we meet through an arranged marriage setup, so it's not like it's a dating app where we meet. So it's not those like urban niche films, you know. It starts with that, then eventually we discover each other and we complete each other. So yeah, that's our film.
My takeaway from the film was ना काफी नहीं है, because you know the way how they just said, literally जब भी मैं ये सेम चीज बोलती हूँ कि मैंने डेट नहीं किया है, so people look at me with a very flabbergasted emotion, like ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, what is wrong with you. तो कोई पसंद नहीं आया इतने टाइम तक, मैंने बोला नहीं आया, कोई नहीं आया, कोई मिला नहीं वैसा इसलिए, बट मजाक में से आई थिंक मुझे मिल गया है. और यू नो मेरे दिमाग में था कि आई लव कोरियंस अ लॉट, पर ये तो कोरियन भी है, इनको तो कोरियन भी बोला जाता है बाहर. तो hearts for you, Siddhant. I don't mind a date with you.
Oh my god, wow, that's so sweet of you. I'm blushing, I don't know how to react.
But
I have walked into this.
अभी तो मॉम डैड भी वो ब्लेसिंग भी दे रहे हैं मेरे को, अभी दे दिया ब्लेसिंग, ये देखो, ये तो बस मेरे से ऐसे छुटकारा ही चाहिए इनको. But anyways, thank you for giving us a film where we can take so many good takeaways which are needed in this world, in our lives right now. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
A lot of actors find points of relatability when they read a script, and a lot of actors say that we don't need any point of clarity. That is our space. In this film, there is one dialogue जिससे मैं बहुत रिलेट करता हूँ. मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स जानते हैं कि अदरक की चाय मुझे बहुत पसंद है, और मेरी अदरक की चाय नहीं होती, वो अदरक का काढ़ा होता है, और उसके बिना मेरा दिन स्टार्ट नहीं होता.
और वो बहुत गंदा होता है.
सब्जेक्टिव, बट आई लव इट. मतलब उसके बिना मेरा दिन स्टार्ट नहीं होगा. मूवी में जब बातें हो रही है बारिश की, बहुत अच्छे से शशांक कहते हैं कि अदरक की चाय और पुराने गाने. रियल लाइफ में कौन सी चीजें हैं जिसको आपको लगा कि यार आई रियली रिलेट टू इट? आई एम श्योर यू आल्सो लव अदरक की चाय बारिश में.
नहीं
नहीं? ओके, या प्लीज गो ऑन.
I'm full ulta. The only common factor between रोशनी and मृणाल is उन दोनों को खाना बहुत पसंद है तो पूरे फिल्म में मैं खा ही रही हूँ so yeah
नहीं पसंद तुमको अदरक की चाय पुराने गाने?
वो तो आपको पसंद है ना
मतलब इन लाइफ मृणाल को
मृणाल कॉफी
कॉफी और डेथ मेटल. नाइस.
फुल ऑन
Yeah.
पर खाना नहीं बनाना आता वो चीज मुझे सिर्फ पानी उबालना आता है और बर्तन जलाना आता है चार
Same here.
हाँ गीले सूखे कपड़े भी मुझे ज्यादा पसंद नहीं है पर बारिश मुझे इसीलिए पसंद है क्योंकि मेरा बर्थडे अगस्त में आता है दैट्स व्हाई आई लाइक दैट मॉनसून पीरियड अदरवाइज और क्या क्या है शशा
चश्मा
चश्मा
अच्छी लगती है तुम चश्मे में.
वो बीच में आ जाता है ना इसलिए पसंद नहीं है
अच्छा.
जिनको चश्मा आप पूछिए
वो तो
बीच
वहां
में-
देख रहा है.
बीच में आता है ना चश्मा
वो ट्राई कर रहा था.
नहीं आई थिंक शी डू यू बिलीव इन इट चश्मा आता है बीच में हाँ
Art
कभी
होता
कभार
है.
वो बीच में आ जाता है मेरे और
There's
मेरे
an
चश्मे.
art to doing it with the chashma. Oh my god.
मे बी रोशनी नीड्स टू लर्न इट
मेरे लिए तो यार मेरे को पसंद है. मैं चाय मुझे बहुत पसंद है स्पेशली शाम को. सुबह कॉफी अच्छी लगती है शाम को चाय. और जब बारिश हो रही हो तो फिर तो मुझे बहुत ही मजा आता है. चाय और पकौड़े मिल जाए और पुराना कुछ किशोर दा का गाना चल जाए पीछे. मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है यार.
Agree.
You are becoming my dad's more favorite. by the
अरे.
way. So, अभी नहीं होता है. आ
Plug
जाएगा,
in.
मैं बता रही हूँ.
लगे. मैं लास्ट में गाऊंगा.
बिल्कुल.
हम साथ में गाएंगे.
ओके मंजरी के साथ
Yeah, मंजरी के साथ.
नहीं मैं गाऊंगा इनके साथ पक्का गाऊंगा.
Yeah. So, guys, before I open the mic to you guys, a lot of people here, young energy, a lot of people are budding actors. And I want to ask both of you, you both are reliable, incredible actors who are now stationed pretty well, who are now established. But for all these young boys and girls who come, leaving the comfort of their houses to Mumbai, it can be very, very difficult. Now, what would be your advice to these people who has a lot of self-doubt about himself or herself, who is very vulnerable, but also has a lot of set perception towards the industry, how that functions. So, if you both can talk about that.
who wants to be actors first of all okay a lot of you lovely your families are okay with this yes wow it's 100% yes you guys are so lucky I had to convince my family can you believe that
Yes.
but I would just say अगर आपकी family आपके साथ है if you're ready to work hard nobody nothing no energy in this world can stop you but the only thing I want to tell you all is it took me around 12 years to be here and I'm really proud of myself because this is my journey and each and every day there are days where I feel like I may not be able to do it, whether I'm good enough, I will doubt myself. And trust me, self-doubt hoga. Hamesha hoga. You look into the mirror, you'll feel like you're not good enough. But the only thing that I would say, you're authentic enough. You're so authentic. You don't have to pretend to be like someone else. Just be yourself. And one thing which I believe in is do movies or films or projects that you believe in because if you don't believe no matter how big the producers are how big the movie is how big the budget is but if you only don't resonate with the character आप कैसे convince करेंगे audience को acting क्या होती है एक कला होती है ना झूठ बोलने की कला कैमरा पे आपको लाइनें याद होती है बट आपको सिर्फ pretend करना होता है कि आपको पता है आपको पता नहीं है you literally lie in front of the camera so if you're able to resonate with the character only do that otherwise there's no point it will reflect and camera is like wo sab kuch catch kar leta hai and there will be nobody in your life who will come and tell you that you know what you're good you will have to be your own motivator you will have to motivate yourself you'll yourself have to inspire yourself and just make sure that every day whenever you don't have work you'll have to make sure that you're working on your craft you're working on the skills you are learning different languages because स्किल्स होने बहुत ज़रूरी है, और मूवीज़ की कोई सेट भाषा नहीं होती, मतलब यू नो ऑल यू नीड टू नो इज़ इमोशन. There are sub layers. Do workshops, not in the gym but in actual workshops. You have to look after your body, you have to look after your mind, you have to make sure that you keep, you know, you don't get distracted. And family is everything. Just have people, panch hi sahi, but please have those 5 people around you who will motivate you to never give up on your dreams, because 20 years down the line I don't want to look back and say, oh god, I could have been a better I could have been number one actress and I gave up on me. This is your chance, make the most of it, because life is short, live the fullest.
That's such a solid advice, Mrinal. Siddhant.
I would say that if your parents are supporting you, I think you're blessed. Um, and if you don't come from a background of films, you're even more blessed, because I think you have a privilege, and that privilege is of making a story or making history. Um, your hustles, your stories, your everyday waking up from zero, trying to get to 100 by the end of the day is what that matters. Now, obviously, you will be able to choose what you want to do, or sometimes you'll not have the choice because you're still kind of trying to get in. I think one of the most important part is to kind of, with when you're going for casting or when you're going meeting people, agencies, be very aware of, keeping your integrity very intact, because you're not just representing yourself, you're not just representing that, you're representing your family, you're representing your future self. So a lot of people will try to short sell you, try to kind of exploit you, try to make the most out of you, and that will there's no point of actually achieving success by doing things which you do not believe in. You would rather take a slower route where you believe in certain things and certain people, and then you go along with that. But make sure that you share everything with your parents, or with your friends. Get their perspective, because what happens now, when you're blinded by a dream, when you want to be an actor, you want to be an actor. Yeah, कुछ भी काम मिल जाए, कुछ भी करना पड़े, मैं कर लूंगा. What happens when people take advantage, and the second they sense that that you want it so bad, then they will exploit you, monetary, physically, mentally, whatever that is. And safety is the first thing. Protect yourself, because you have to go a long way. Say no to things, learn to say no. No is a power. No is a very very big power. You don't understand. I kept saying no from a lot of my initial days, even though I did not have anything, but I kept saying no to a lot of things, which till I finally narrowed down upon certain things. A lot of people will try to tell you that don't say no, you'll get blacklisted, you will not be entertained, you will be called arrogant, you'll be called cocky. Just say that you're defending your ambition, that's it. Because you have seen your dreams, they have not seen your dreams, because you sleep alone on your pillow and you see your dreams. So let nobody decide that what your dreams are. You can shape that, right? So your choices matter a lot. So make those choices. Do not be afraid to say no. Always share things with your family and friends to get their perspective, and don't be blinded by promises, fake promises, or you think that, oh, if I get there's no shortcut to success, guys. ओ ये कर लेंगे तो मैं फट से यहाँ पहुंच जाऊंगा, वहां कर लूंगा तो फट से पहुंच जाऊंगा. कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं होता. इट विल टेक इट्स ओन बिग टाइम. द यूनिवर्स टेस्ट्स यू इन अ वे, हाउ बैडली डू यू वांट इट. बी खाली रहो एक हफ्ता, 10 दिन, कुछ मत करो यार. जब घर पे माँ बाप हैं, छत है, खाने को रोटी है, और कोई टेंशन नहीं है तुम्हारे पास, मत करो कुछ काम. दोस्त पूछते हैं कि यार क्या कर रहा है, कुछ नहीं कर रहा यार, कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, ये बोलते जाओ. Problem kya? I know your friends will start earning sooner, and you might have to cut down on your parties and going to concerts, but then that वो मांगता है, ये तपस्या है. ये तपस्या आपको करनी पड़ेगी if you want to reach somewhere you want to reach. You can't be like chilling and having the best time and you feel like वो हो जाएगा. The universe tests you, and do you have that? It should be, you should want it as bad as you want to breathe. Your ambition, you should be that crazy, and that will give you the power to say no. Your choices. I know who I am. I'm not settling down. I'm not going at 12 a.m. to a casting director who's calling me because I want to be in that person's good books. Especially for women, it's not safe. So just be very very careful. Always share it with your friends, that this is what's happening, and this one, because I've come from when I've seen a lot of my friends, female friends and even male friends, being in a situation where they don't know how to react, and sometimes and that trauma doesn't leave you ever. Even if you become successful, I don't want to hear a podcast 10 years later saying that, oh, that I had been through that thing, and no, act now so that we become a generation of healed people who are telling success stories and who are making greater impacts in the future, because we are very, very clear and very ambitious about what we want. That clarity is very important. Don't let these things, people, noises, agencies, casting, fog your head. यार तुम नहीं करोगे तो 10 लोग और हैं यार, तुम कर लो। नहीं करना सर, मेरे को 10 लोग करा लो, मैं वो नहीं हूँ 10 में से, अलग हूँ मैं, स्पेशल हूँ, डिफरेंट हूँ, इसीलिए तो यहाँ पे हूँ। सबकी तरह सेम होता यार, उसकी तरह करो ना यार, ये तुमको ऑडिशन दिखाएं किसी का, यार इसकी तरह कर यार, इसकी तरह, ये नई हीरोइन आई है, इसकी तरह कुछ करना, ये बात है क्या तुझमें? नहीं है वो बात मुझमें। सर मैं अलग हूँ, मैं कुछ अलग करने आया। मुझे बोला था करली बाल है, नहीं बन सकते हीरो। मुझे बोला था छोटी आंखें हैं, नहीं बन सकता। बहुत ज्यादा गोरा है, नहीं बन सकता। बहुत सारी चीजें बोलते हैं ये लोग, ये सारी चीजें, एंड आई एम लाइक ये सारी चीजें तो अच्छी चीजें हैं। नहीं 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 यार, हीरो तो ऐसे मतलब एक रॉकेट, सिल्की बाल हवा में उड़ना चाहिए, बड़ी बड़ी आंखें में इमोशन दिखना चाहिए, थोड़ा डस्ट मिट्टी का मतलब हो। मैंने बोला अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। पहला मेरा शो इनसाइड एज था, where I dropped everything off. Second was MC Sheikh. Then I kept doing it and doing it and proving everyone wrong that you will decide what you want to become. So just be careful, protect your mental health. That's the first thing. Ambition hai, protect your mental health, protect your bodies, take care of yourself, share everything with your parents and your friends. Always it's good to have a perspective. This industry is not what it looks like from the outside, even though it's beautiful. But and like in every industry, there are some people who just spoil the fun for us. So just be very, very careful. That's what I want to say.
Can I
And
say
That-
something?
of course,
To all those people who said, Siddhant, curly baal hai, choti aankh hai, he made it, brother. He made it.
I mean, that was so like ऐसा लग रहा था बस सुनते रहे. That was such a perfect guidebook to all those actors. And to all you here, I think you should listen and follow that journey, because they are people who have not just seen, rather lived this journey as actors. So thank you for saying such wise
And-
words.
guys, now we are opening up the audience का Q&A.
Yeah.
And एक ही चीज बोलूंगी, for me, the language of love is acceptance and kindness. So acceptance के साथ और kindness के साथ जो पूछना है पूछना.
And to whoever is asking, please raise your hand and introduce yourself. The mics would be
And
circulated.
we will excuse
And-
ourselves so the cameras are coming.
Yes. So I'll start with.
Hi, I'm Shubhi. I'm a creator
Hi.
and an actor in Bombay. It's been 2 years and I'm still marking my journey. But since we are celebrating love here, I want to ask both of you the same question. Has success made love easy or more complicated for you? Should we give up on love already? Because, of course, want to be actors and how has
No.
it been?
Shubhi, you've got such a beautiful smile. Oh my God.
Thank you. Likewise.
And it has made things little complicated क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है इतने रूमर्स सुनने के बाद कि मृणाल सिंगल है, नहीं है, और जो बेचारे जो who wants to ask me out also run away because they think I'm getting married on 14th Feb. So that's not true. But please don't give up on love when the time is right. I feel and I have this faith, when I meet the right person, and when things are right, I would love to experience love.
Great
I
answer.
would say love is never easy. Love is never convenient. There are a lot of things which are convenient, which help you find happiness, but love is not one of them. Doesn't matter if you're, in the era where you're still kind of aspiring or you already achieved. Love never sees these factors as, important. It will do its own course. It will do its own time. It will come at the right time. And I've been in love when I was nobody. I have been in love when I was somebody, and that doesn't matter. It will not make it difficult. It depends on totally you. I always, but sometimes but like, I mean, these days, sometimes I feel like, I miss it sometimes, but yeah, I mean, आएगा कभी ना कभी, एक दो साल में something will happen which will make me feel the same way. But back in the day when, as when I was aspiring as an actor, I was in love, and I had to let it go because I wanted to be like, an actor, and things were not going right because there was certain complications in the relationship, and and now when I've achieved, I can't have the same thing. I need to discover. I can't be holding on to the same thing. So something which I had written long back, like not long back, like recently I was just thinking about it, which said that जब आरज़ू थी तो हैसियत नहीं थी, अब हैसियत है तो आरज़ू ही नहीं बची है यार.
Wow. Beautifully said.
Thank you.
Thank you, and all the very best for your movie. Rooting for both of you.
And all the best for everything you do.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir. My name is Sanjana.
Hi, Sanjana.
So, congratulations for the film and all the best for the film. So, my question is for you both is what is the most unexpected challenge you faced in your career and how did you overcome it?
That was quite hard. What is the most unexpected? What is the most unexpected challenge? Everything is
For
a challenge.
me, it was stepping into an industry that is Telugu industry was very, very challenging for me. Right from my first movie, Sita Ramam, I was like, I'm not good with languages. I'm not good with, And then when Sita Ramam released and when I saw Sita, I fell in love with myself. And I felt like if I can do this, I can do everything. So to overcome, yes, I would sit with my coach, my assistant directors, and rehearse the lines. I mean, जितनी पढ़ाई मैंने बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में या CET के AI EEE एंट्रेंस के वक्त भी नहीं की थी, वो मैं अब कर रही हूँ. But trust me, the love and the recognition that I get, it's absolutely worth it.
So, for you?
For me, it was my shifting and letting go of a career which was quite secure. I was doing my BCom and chartered accountancy back in the day. I cleared my CPT, my IPCC, my finals, first group. But then eventually I had to let go of all the securities, cut all the ropes, and jump into this absolutely new territory. So that I think that shift was the biggest challenge, and yeah, that really marks my confidence, because even though I was not such a big fan of studying, which obviously most of us are not. I still could clear my exams, and because I really wanted to, I was like, यार ये कर लूंगा तो वहां जाऊंगा एक दिन. So जब मुझे जो नहीं करना था उसमें मैंने इतनी मेहनत की, तो जो मुझे करना है उसमें तो सोचो मैं क्या क्या करने वाला हूँ. So that was the only challenge and turning point in my life. After that, everything has been just like a dream job.
Hi, my name is Harshita and I create content on fangirling. Right now we're talking about love and unconditional, the most selfless love is of fans. I want to know your first experience of like a crazy fan moment or something like that you experienced after the stardom.
I'll share two experiences. First one, I was shooting in London for my first show, and I was wearing this white trench coat, and my hair was perfectly blow dried, curled, makeup, everything. And I felt like, oh my god, kya ho raha hai? First outdoor schedule shoot, and there's this guy who walked up to me, and literally I was nobody. The show was not even on air, and he asked me for an autograph. And I froze and I looked at Mohit Sehgal, my co actor, and asked him, what do I even write in this autograph? He said, just sign, create something of your own. So I think that's something that was very, more than him, I was fangirling over the fact that I'm giving an autograph. This one. And secondly, there's this elderly lady in Hyderabad who, when she met me, she literally called me Sita Mahalakshmi, and she asked me, why did the film end in that way? Can we have another option, like a Sita Ramam 2 where it's a happy ending? And she just went on and on and on, and she told me like how she thinks that I'm a Telugu Ammai and I belong to Telangana and Andhra and Hyderabad. That just made me feel so warm and welcoming. So I'm just proud that this parallel career happened, and these two experiences that I've witnessed, I will never forget.
There's one which I can recall right now, which is happened in Hyderabad. This is right after Gully Boy. There was this club which I had gone to. Yeah, I think post the film's release, I was just there to kind of promote whatever. My song had just come out. So there was this club. I reached there. It was full of people. It was packed. and I was at point A, and this is fully packed, and this is point B. And obviously, I started, enjoying myself, and I was on the console. I was hyping people up, and then, that was just right after Gully Boy, so the craze was like mad. And then I went to the green room, which was right next to it, and then there were like people just banging on the door. It was almost like a zombie apocalypse, and this is the first time I'm going out somewhere in a different city. I've been to Hyderabad, but not like after the thing. And I was like, what is happening? And they just wanted pictures, and they just wanted selfies and whatever. And then somehow we just, people hurdle around me, and then I try to get out. And we have literally ducked and gone through people, like almost going missionary, going like that. Through the crowd, and I was just feeling very heavy because almost people are pulling. I exchanged my jacket with one of my, crew members, and the jacket was gone. The jacket was torn. He was caught, and somehow I just escaped the place. And when I came out, this is the point now. When I came out, I'm standing, and they're all coming towards me, like, yeah, what? And I was like, I'm getting like, okay, what is this? I don't understand. And then I looked down, and there is this girl wrapped around my leg who I have carried through the whole thing. And she's just like this. Can I have a selfie? I was like, yeah, of course. And that I was like, bro, what is this? And I've literally carried her through the whole thing, and she didn't leave my leg. So that was quite crazy, And then, yeah, I mean, gave her picture, and yeah. Well,
मैं तो बस पापा जब ऑफिस जाते तब बोलती पापा मत जाओ ना. That's how that's like literally that's exactly how can you imagine a girl just
Hi.
Hi.
My name is Tikila, and by profession, I was a lab technician, but I chose my passion, which is into acting only. Since I'm from Northeast of India, so um, many of us entering Bollywood is very difficult for us, not because of lack of talent, but because of our facial features. So, from your experience, how do you think the industry can genuinely open doors for more diverse looks and identities?
Firstly, I would tell you that you're very, very beautiful.
Thank you.
And can I have your name again?
Tequila.
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 Tabhi
It's
nasha
tequila.
chad raha hai. Nice. Just kidding. Where are you from? From Northeast?
Sikkim, the
Sikkim
brother
side.
of seven
Yeah.
sisters.
Yeah. I have to tell you that congratulations for coming and doing taking that plunge from being a lab technician to doing whatever you're doing. See, the acceptance is in our hands. We change the world. That's what I feel. I spoke about it, like how people said that I might not be the perfect fit. See, people have stereotypes, but if you want to change the game, then you have to break those stereotypes, and that's why we are here for. If we keep seeing the same repeated people, the same kind of beauty standards, the same kind of dancing moves, we get bored. We need exclusivity, we need inclusivity at the same time. So I'm really proud that you're actually hustling, and I'm love to maybe someday work with you in the future.
Thank you.
Yeah, and yeah, just congratulations for everything. And don't. This has been my journey, but I can't compare it to yours. But I think it will be time. You just need to just not give up. Push yourself, so that it just becomes the new thing. People want to be like you then. That's
That means
the
a
aim.
lot coming from you. And also, I've been watching you since Kumkum Bhagya Bulbul.
Thank you.
Hi, nice to meet
Hi.
you, and all the best for your movie, Do Divaniyat.
Oh, Divaniyat.
Oh, sorry, no, Do Divani. Sorry. Sorry.
Okay, it's very simple. Do divane seher mein. It's that.
हाँ, yeah, right.
At least गाना याद रहे.
गाना याद रहता है.
हाँ, सही लगा? Thank God. हाँ
No,
जी, आपका
you sing
सवाल.
very beautiful. So मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है, मेरा दो क्वेश्चन है. पहले तो मेरे लिए एक है और आप लोगों के लिए भी है. तो रिलेटेबल है, लाइक इंडस्ट्री में मैं भी एक्टिंग करने के लिए अभी आई हूँ, एंड आई एम ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट बाय प्रोफेशन, बाय एजुकेशन, बट अभी मैं स्विच किया मेरे प्रोफेशन को कंटेंट क्रिएशन में, एंड एज एन एक्टर मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड भी है इधर. सो मुझे ये लगता है कभी कभी हम लोग इंडस्ट्री में बहुत लोगों से टकराते हैं एंड प्रोफेशनली वो काम करते हैं, बट कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि वो प्रपोज कर दे. आप लोगों को भी किए होंगे बहुत सारे लोग कि अगर सक्सेसफुल हो गए तो प्रपोज करते हैं, एंड आप लोग उसको नहीं वैसा वाला नहीं, मतलब लाइक अगर आप सक्सेसफुल हो गए और लड़के लड़की आएंगे प्रपोज करने, जान पहचान वाले काम करते हैं एक साथ एंड प्रपोज करेंगे, तो आप लोग टैकल कैसे करते हो उस चीज को कि ना बोलते हो तो ऐसे भी बोलते हो कि हर्ट ना हो, लाइक कैसे टैकल करते
रिजेक्ट
हो?
कैसे करना
हाँ,
ये
reject-
आप हमसे पूछ रही हैं, हमसे पूछ रही हैं।
स्वीट रिजेक्शन। हाँ
मुझे सवाल ही समझा।
अरे सवाल है, मुझे बहुत टेंशन मिलता है, मैं बहुत ही सही हूँ, तो मुझे कैसे लोग, इतने लोग जाते हैं आसपास प्रपोज करने, तो उनको ना कैसे बोलूं?
डेट्स नहीं है बोल दो, सॉरी बट
ये
आई डोंट हैव
आप लोगों के लिए भी पूछ रही हूँ मैं, आप
अच्छा।
लोग कैसे आंसर करते हो इस चीज?
मैंने किया तुझे
मुझे
प्रपोज?
प्रपोज किया ही नहीं किसी
अभी
ने।
तो किया इधर।
अच्छा हाँ अच्छा हाँ
ये देखो ऐसे,
नहीं बट
मैं भूल गई, भूल जाओ। क्या
नहीं।
किया? तुम्हें पसंद हो तुम मुझे? अच्छा तुम
हाँ तो
पसंद
बोला
करते हो? हाँ नहीं सीधे बोल दो पसंद करते हो। शिट यार, मुझे पता ही नहीं चला। कोई बात नहीं, मेरे को पता चलता पहले तो शायद मैं सोचती, बट अभी थोड़ा बिजी हूँ मैं।
नाइस आंसर।
कम्युनिकेट क्यों नहीं करते ठीक से मुझे बोल देते तो शायद मैं सोचती यार ये तरीका होता है क्या बोलने का। यार अब तो मैं राहुल के साथ हूँ यार, सॉरी तुम लेट हो गए, ऐसा कुछ बोल दो और क्या।
ओके, बट कभी कभी ऐसा होता है पता है, लोग अचानक से ना बहुत ही बिहेवियर चेंज हो जाता है, बहुत ही गुस्सा कर
बट
देते
एक सेकंड आपका नाम क्या है?
गार्गी। वो नाम नहीं
गार्गी।
बताना।
हाँ गार्गी। इस प्रपोजल के अलावा मुझे और कोई प्रपोजल मिला नहीं है अब तक।
ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता क्या
आई
बोल रहे?
स्वेयर आई शपथ मी खरं सांगते नहीं
ओह!
सच्ची। तो प्लीज जिनको करना है प्रपोज प्लीज कर दीजिए।
अरे उनको आंसर नहीं मिला अभी तक।
अच्छा नहीं मिला, सॉरी।
तो मतलब कुछ नहीं यार, बोल दो कि हम दोस्ती सही है और क्या। मेल ईगो आ जाता है बीच में, वो लोग हर्ट हो जाते हैं।
हाँ, और फिर ऐसे बिहेवियर करते हैं कि मतलब अब तो तुम शत्रु हो, तुम तो अभी जाओ यहाँ
हर्ट हो
से।
जाता है ना, मेल ईगो बहुत फ्रेजाइल होता है, रिजेक्शन ले नहीं सकते ना, तो ऐसे लोग चाहिए क्यों लाइफ में।
हाँ वो भी सही।
लोग ऐसे हो कि तुम खुश रहो लाइफ में, तुम्हें खुश रखें, चाहे दोस्ती में हो चाहे प्यार में हो। बाद में अगर तुम्हें जेन्युइनली कोई सच में चाहता होगा ना, तो तुम्हें खुद समझ आ जाएगा। लेकिन अगर ऐसे मेल ईगो और प्रपोज कर रहे हैं, तुम्हें प्रेशराइज कर रहा है, तो कोई पॉइंट नहीं है। तो फिर बोलो कि भाई तुम दूरी रहो, तो नहीं समझ रहे हो तो नहीं है, मतलब सिंपल।
और आप कैसे करते हो, मतलब आप लड़कियों को कैसे करते हो रिजेक्ट?
मैं लड़कियों को रिजेक्ट नहीं करता हूँ।
ही इज अ ग्रीन फ्लैग।
ऐसा क्यों लग रहा, मैं नहीं करता रिजेक्ट यार। नहीं मैं नहीं करता, मैं मतलब ऐसा कोई मेरे को प्रपोजल आता भी नहीं है, पहली बात।
ऐसे कैसे, किसी को नहीं आता है? आप लोगों को तो आता ही होगा कम से कम 100 प्रपोजल।
अरे नहीं आता है, मतलब अब वैसे अरे यार मैं किसी को जान पहचान में कोई आसपास है मेरे, तो वो अलग बात है, बट मेरा सर्कल बहुत टाइट है, मेरे सारे बचपन के दोस्त हैं। और बाकी जो डीएम में जो भी होता है वो फैन लेड होता है, सो वो मैं रिस्पॉन्ड क्या करूँ मैं उसमें।
हाँ, सच।
मतलब फैंस को मैं नहीं रिस्पॉन्ड करता वैसे। बट ऐसे तो पर्सनल लाइफ में कोई ऐसे मुझे प्रपोज कभी, एक्चुअली मेरे को कभी किसी ने प्रपोज ही नहीं किया यार।
जब मैं बोल रही थी everyone thought I was lying. Now even we think you are lying.
मैंने भी रिजेक्ट करना है यार किसी को, हट दे यार, नहीं हो रहा है।
14 Feb it is.
Okay.
I hope you got your answer,
Yeah,
Gargi.
thank you.
Sorry to break into this wonderful conversation. We'll continue. I have to take Siddhant Lunal out for a special moment.